We're back with another early look, man, shot drop season. I took the L on my account, but shout out to Ashley for having the goated sneakers account, man. I really think Nike is definitely rewarding like newer accounts or accounts that aren't as active because she hit 2 shock drops in a row and she rarely like gets on sneakers. But as you can see, you see the throwback Nike box, man. Definitely dope touch. As I stated in the previous videos, anytime I see this box, I get a little extra excited. But we know what time it is with the box. You know what happened. You know what shock drop it is. So without further ado, let me go ahead and open them up. Fun fact. I've never had this particular shoe in my collection. I've had 12s, but never the cherries, man. So I'm definitely excited to have these in my collection for the first time ever. And let's check them out on foot real quick. So here we have it, man, the Cherry 12s. The first release since 2009, I believe. I'm not sure if these are like true to the OG form, but any OGs out there that own this sneaker or have owned the past retros, let me know down in the comments if this is true to form. But from the pictures and everything I've seen, I think this is true to form. You know how Nike and Jordan does? They halfway give you the retro that you want. Like you'll get the taxi, but it'll have some extra hits of different colors for no reason. So they won't really give you the taxi. They'll give you a variant. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this is true to the OG, man. So you have that white upper, you know, nothing too crazy. Slight tumble on the leather. You can see that. It's not crazy soft like quality wise with the leather, but I mean, it's a Jordan 12. I'm not sure if any of them really have like really buttery leather, but I mean, it's cool to me personally. And of course, you get that cherry red on the mud guard, midsole, going into your outsole with your pods. You gotta have that carbon fiber shank plate. It's more like a translucent outsole that's showing up for you. And then you get, I want to say like the reptile-ish, something like that on the midsole. You see that, you know, that little pattern, that texture right there. You get it on the rubber as well as the toe cap. And then on the back, of course, you get Jordan quality inspired by the greatest athlete ever. You know, that's what you get with the 12s. 23 in white on the heel as well. Insole, nothing crazy. This is all black insole with the red Jumpman. These are a size 12. If you're wondering how your size may look in hand, you know, I've been seeing 12s for years, so they don't look too crazy to me personally. And then on your tongue, you get the Jumpman with the 2-3 embroidered in black going down. Took me a while, man, back in the day to realize that that spelled out 2-3, which is 23. Here, you know, you get the word 2. I don't know if you can see that. You get TWO, and then you get the number 3. So yeah, back in the day, man, it took me a while to figure that out. So let me know if you're in the same boat as I am, or I'm just by myself, or you don't want to admit when, you know, Jordan pulled one over on you. But yeah, like overall, man, it's a clean shoe. Not much detail, honestly. You got white and red. You get your hits of black. You get your chrome or silver eyelets. But other than that, man, it's pretty much pretty much straightforward. The quality isn't really crazy on these. It's definitely better than, the stiff leather in the past that we've seen with the Jordan Retros, in that 2012 to 2015 era before they started doing like the remastered series. They were like real plastic leather, it was rough. But I mean, it's better than it has been. But I mean, for the price point, it should be a lot better quality-wise, but that's another video for another day. So yeah, let me know what you think about these. I know a lot of places raffle started already, so just do your Googles. If you're on Twitter, Sneaker Twitter is a good one. Soul Links, any of those, they'll point you in the right direction. And talk to your local retailers, man. Any mom and pop shops you have in the area, if you really want these. I feel like this is a must for any Jordan collector. Even the casual, sneaker wear or sneakerhead, whatever you want to call it, it's a white and red Jordan. 9 times out of 10, they're going to sell out. I believe that these will be plentiful, but don't quote me on that because I don't have the exact stock numbers. But seeing that a lot of people hit on the shock drop and like a lot of retail stores are getting these, usually with the retros, they flood the market, to drive resale down. So if you really want these, I mean, just do the work, do the groundwork, man. Put in the raffles, talk to your local stores, like I said, see how they're gonna do it. I know Snipes in my area, they do like first come, first serve. So that's another option you have on the back burner if you don't hit on the raffle. And sneakers should be your last resort because everybody in the world tries to get on sneakers on Saturday, and you got to fight bots. So, just do the groundwork. You should be able to get these if you really want them. And I don't think resale is going to be too high. So, if by some reason you strike out, you still should be able to get them for a decent price. Early. I'm not sure if you wait. The prices might go up. You never know with the sneaker game. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one, man. I had to go back to the basics with the iPhone. Hopefully the camera quality is not too far off, Hopefully the audio is pretty decent. I got this mic right here. It's really close to me, so hopefully it's loud enough so you can understand what I'm saying. But yeah, man, appreciate y'all for watching. It took 3 days to actually record this video with all the technical difficulties and carrier issues and stuff. But hey, we're here. I'm definitely going to get this edited and uploaded ASAP so you can check it out before the actual drop, man. You can make your decision. If you're on the fence, hopefully it swayed you one way or another. But yeah, I'm going to appreciate y'all once again.